Welcome to the Authored Intelligence Authoring Suite. This fully featured suite includes every one of our 12 AI authoring tools. Not only can you use it on mobile, which you can't do with Frase, you have instant access to our inbuilt prompt tags so that you can build your prompts faster than ever before. Not only does it make the authoring process simple, its uncluttered interface makes it really easy to use. So there's no more fumbling around the Frase interface to find what you're looking for. Everything is at your fingertips. So first up, let's cover the sections. There are 3 sections: the authoring tools, the accessories, and finally the bonus tools. There are 6 authoring apps. First up, we've got Agency Writer. Next we have AI Professional. Then the jewel in the crown, Semantic Author. Then there's Conceptual Author. And our new app, Think Differently. Last but not least, we have Agency Writer LITE. Now let's go back to the main menu. You can do this at any time by pressing the Home button on the top menu. Now let's look at the accessories. First up is Headliner. Next up, UVP Extractor. And finally, Conceptual Rewriter. So we go back to the main menu. Now let's look at the bonus apps. First up is Prompt Author. Then CISE Search. And last but not least, Instant Memes. So now you know the full suite of tools included. Now it's time to show you how these apps actually work. For this tutorial, I'm using AI Professional. The prompt area is at the top, and then we have the prompt tag drop-downs. The first is for left brain thinking, and the second for right brain thinking. So the first is talk about, which we tend to use every single time. The second is tell a story. The third, speak like. The fourth, wordplay. Then Hemingway's rules, rephrase content, counter objections, and guarantee. Initially, let's use talk about. As you can see, this automatically populates the prompt. Now we add our topic. Now we come to the left brain prompt tags, and these are generally SEO tags. First up, we've got brand, then location, audience, insert words, obviously keywords, create headers, US or UK spelling, and then lastly the maximum output. So first up, let's create some headers. And now let's run it. As you can see, Authored Intelligence creates headers and descriptions, and in this case 7 of them as requested. So let's try something different. Let's tell a story. So let's select that from the drop down, and again it populates the prompt. Now let's add a guarantee. So let's run that. So here we can see it's added a story. You'll also note that in the last paragraph it brings in the guarantee for satisfaction. So let's try another one. Let's pull in counter objections. This definitely brings in objections like the cost of hairdressing and also different problems that can occur during a haircut, and includes a guarantee. So let's extend the output to 7 paragraphs. This time it starts with a guarantee, and secondly, a testimonial. It goes on to mention about worry and how daunting the process can be. So now let's add a brand. Let's run that. As you can see, the brand is well established in the output. The content also includes the various tags that we've used previously, including a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Now let's include location. And it introduces it appropriately in several places. Here's something completely different. Let's use speak like a rapper, but don't mention it. So there we have it. It even pulls in the Bronx and the Big Apple. Next up, 40 Shades of Clean. The world is your oyster with the Authored Intelligence authoring suite. It can write in any style and with any lingo. And best of all, you can use it on your mobile or on your desktop whenever you get a spare moment. I hope you have enjoyed this introductory video on our new authoring suite. Now at long last, you can break free of the clutter and the brain-numbing need to engineer enormous prompts just to get the ball rolling. You can trust my authored intelligence tools to get the job done for any authoring project that you could imagine. This brief introduction barely scratches the surface of what this suite of tools can achieve. So watch this space. I'll be producing tutorial videos for the entire authoring suite, including workflow videos on how to interact with them, both in your browser and within Frase. Thanks for watching. I'm Peter Hatherley.